When it comes to electrical planning, have you ever asked yourself, what matters most? It's got to be easy to use, regardless of how much experience you bring. But there's more. Projects accumulate, deadlines approach, things move quickly. You need to get work done fast. Collaborate in real time with colleagues. Prepare a quote, draw a plan, or create an accessories list. It all boils down to seamless documentation. It's really that simple. Whether you're a panel builder, an electrical installer, or an electrical consultant, all you need is Hagercad 6. Enhance your personal electrical design process. Collaborate in real time, work faster and more efficiently with absolute norm conformity. Fully documented and reliable. Choose the equipment to your liking. Visualize in 3D. Manage all projects from one database. Just the way you want to. Hagercad 6, the planning software for electrical installations.